mayamba kurum jari adom ne biri bese impact talk to Manipur ni ai Pinky Okram ngasi akoi ki studio da link sinduna lai biri bese haukiba November ki tang ama English ngani ki sutna tarani panda kangpokpi da pangthokiba Miss Ko 2018 da winner ki title lobi rakhrabi adugumbi sakhen bi amagani mahaki maming oina panjarabada nengnei hoi haukip mahaka unabagi tanjadu lawjage nengnei hoi welcome to our show and what is the feeling right now? You must be very happy. Okay, so tell me about yourself, a little introduction about yourself.
Manipur Impact TV
Impact TV amadi
Impact TV bu thagajari aduga Manipur gi mayam buso khurumjare.
Thank you so much. Are you comfortable in Manipuri language or English language, and why? You can explain why, because the audience who are watching our show, most of the time they feel that the winner or the participants should speak in Manipuri language, so that the audience they seems to be happy when you or the other guest when they speak in Manipuri language. So what language do you prefer?
I prefer English more.
Okay, thank you so much. So, okay, you won the title. First, I would like to ask you, as you have won the title, do you think that you were the best candidate for the title, and why?
Yes, I am the best candidate for the pageant because I have confidence in myself. I prepare very well for the contest, and the judges, they see my ability and choose me as the winner. And that is but proof of how decent and qualified I can present myself in front of the public.
Okay, so you presented yourself in a better way than the other contestants, right? Okay, so the other contestants who were participated, they may be unique in their own way, but I want to know what is the uniqueness in you.
I believe each and every one of us is unique, but what makes me unique is my personality and my positive attitude towards everything I do.
Okay, that's a nice answer. Yeah. Okay, so who supported you to participate in the pageant Miss Ko 2018? Was it your decision that you wanted to take part, or was it your family, friends, any other peer pressures? What was it?
I've always wanted to participate in this pageant, and also my family, they supported me very well, so I have confidence and I can take part. So I also won, so I'm very happy.
Okay, so your family were supportive,
yeah.
And okay, so after that you plan and you won the title. So after winning the title, first I want to know what was the feeling when the emceeing, the person who was emceeing, announced the winner and they announced your name. So how was the feeling? Did you feel that you are going to win the title, or was it okay? It's okay if I win also or I lose also. Was that the feeling was same, or how was it? How was the feeling? You can explain. I mean, the audience wants to know. You must be very happy. We understand that, but what you felt?
I was also shocked and at the same time thrilled. I was so very excited.
Okay, so are you happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Okay. So after winning the crown, what was the first thing that you did as a winner? What did you do? The first thing after winning the title, what did you do?
The very first thing I do after they declare and crown me as Miss Ko 2018, I give thanks to God, because He is the real source of all things beautiful. It's all because of Him that I could win. I give thanks to Him once again.
Okay, so God is the one,
yeah.
And He all created us. So, okay. So after that, I want to know, after 5 years or after 10 years, after winning the crown, after winning the title, where do you want to see yourself after 5 years or 10 years?
I want to see myself in the field. I always wanted to work that I always dreamed for, living, accepting, and sharing God's blessing with other people.
Okay, with other people.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so right now you are in college,
Yeah.
right? So for the audience, just let us know which college do you study, where do you study, and where after that, after college, what do you want to do for further? If you want to go for further studies, then what subjects you want to take up, and which state you want to go, or what you want to do?
Currently, I'm pursuing my BSc third semester from George Upper College.
Hmm.
And after I finish my graduation, I think about discontinuing my academic career.
Why? Why?
I have other plans.
Okay, so
If God permits,
is it okay to tell us the plan that you have already made? It's okay if you don't want to disclose. If you can disclose, then you can disclose.
So be surprised.
Okay, so it is surprise. Okay, so tell us about any experience or any problem that you have come across and how you overcame it. Any kind of challenges that you have faced. It may be related to the contest Miss Go 2018 or anything in life.
I have participated in other pageants also before.
Hmm.
There are many challenges, difficulties, but I overcome those through perseverance, determination, hard work, and now I'm here,
Okay.
overcoming all those problems.
Okay, so and what are the preparation that you made to participate in the title, or anything special that you made or you plan, or it's done because of that you have won today? So anybody who wants to take part in the contest next year, Miss Go 2019, it would be helpful to them also. What did you do? What are the preparation that you have done or come across? What did you do?
For this Miss Go 2018 contest, I prepare myself mentally,
Okay.
emotionally, and physically.
Okay, so any kind of people nowadays, they are like they are very careful about the body shape. They go to gym and aerobics and stuff. So do you follow that, or any diet items that you follow? What did you do? It would be helpful because
Yeah,
all the people are after dieting. They want to be slim and thin. So all of us, even me, sometimes I think of dieting, but I can't help it. I eat more. So what did you do?
I think about doing that, but I don't have time to do those. I come to Imphal regularly and reach home late at night. So, but I lost my weight.
Okay, so yeah, you were busy doing
I'm
other
so busy,
works.
yeah.
So you said you come to Imphal more often. Any particular reason for coming to Imphal?
I hate my catwalk coach weird grooming, so I come to him.
Also for the catwalk.
Catwalk and to my gown designer.
Okay. So where did you go for the training or whatever?
To Dara Kesno, my team.
Okay, so I know him. I
Yeah.
know him. Okay, so he's also a model.
Yeah.
Okay, so was it helpful? Is it helpful to you? Do you think that maybe there are other better coach who can teach you, who can train you? What do you think? Is he
For
the
me,
best?
He's the best. He's the
Okay.
best coach.
And how did you came to know about him? Because there are many other models as well, and other institutions. You didn't, contact them. You came to him, and he became your coach. How did it happen?
We know each other through my father's friends. Father
Okay.
friends, yeah.
Okay, so you're happy. And
Yeah.
gown, who designed your gown?
Da Joy Moirang Mayung from Samuro.
Okay, so he must be proud and
Yeah.
he must be very happy. So red is your favorite color, or have you
it is.
selected this?
Red.
Okay, and
always
it's
choose
looking
red.
beautiful on you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
so yeah, thank you. And in your generation, people have many issues, right? So what do you think the biggest problem or biggest issue that your generation are facing right now?
The biggest problem is there are mobile phones, but it will be better if we manage time for mobile games, and also there are some people indulging in intoxicants, destroying their educational careers. How to say?
You can say it. We can wait. We all are here to hear you out today. So it's okay. You can explain. So you don't want your
Yeah,
generation.
I don't want them to indulge in those. I want them to concentrate in their study, obey their parents, so they will do better in future and they won't regret it.
So ahal laman na haiba in bataraga di suksoi soidana ekhoi ki punsida mai pakani haiba do neng nei hoina haibiri aduga so just now you said about a phone and also social media is in boom now. So do you think the social media is bringing all of us together, or it is creating any problem or separating us? What do you think?
Social media has come with an advantage and disadvantage. It has become a tool to let people know what's not shown in other popular forms of media, and it depends on how we use it.
Okay, so it depends on how we use it.
Yeah, it depends on us.
Okay.
If we use it in a positive way, then it will bring positive output. If we use it in a negative way, then negative output.
Okay, so right now our Chief Minister of Manipur, he is very active in social media and Facebook, and even the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, even he is like every time they are updating in Instagram or Facebook. So what do you think? I mean, right, currently our Chief Minister, he takes action immediately. If I'm not wrong, if somebody is written something very odd or against him, then he's taking actions on them. So what do you think regarding that? Is it okay, or is it, I mean, do you think it's okay to believe like that, or what do you think?
It's okay as long as they are okay with it.
Okay, so but don't you think, I mean, maybe this is not the right platform, but just want to know your point of view. See, maybe in future you may take a position, a bigger position which all the people, you know, respect. That time you have to know the rules and regulations of the state and the everything you have to know. But the common people are like the his child. We complain about everything. So is it okay to when I complain something, or when I ask something from my mom, she just scold me or she just give me the thing, but she won't you know, take a harsh action on me. She won't beat me, or she keeps me in jail. Nothing will happen like that. So what do you think?
So you're saying that the
scenario it's okay, huh? So do you think what you said, as long as people are okay with it, it's okay, you said it's okay, but as a personal, as a person, just think, let's take an example. Your roads, the roads which leads you to home, it's very bad in situation. So that time you want to say something to the Chief Minister or any concerned MLA that, you know, our roads are so bad, what are our MLAs are doing, Chief Ministers are doing, like that. If you comment on that, and next day you are, you know, you are an FIR made against you, like that. If it happens like that, then what will you do? And is it okay?
I think we have Hill People's Day also. I don't know if it is still working or not, but we can use those days to talk to him, to tell our problems to him, and he will be there to hear us out. I think
it's okay. So you feel it's okay to take actions against those people who post in the Facebook or anything. So you think no. So my question is, as a person, if you feel no, then why do you feel no? Because we keep complaining to our parents, right? We keep complaining to our parents. That doesn't mean that our parents will, you know, take harsh action on us. So what do you think? My question was that.
Actions like lodging an FIR.
FIR. Recently, so many cases, so many people, students, they, you know, they were kept inside the jail for so long. So what do you think?
It depends on the matter. If they post a status that is not proper, okay, that is not listen, then they can take action.
Okay, so okay. Thank you so much. Wari su yam nungari matang soi sida aten break am khate lausake break ki matung da nengnei hoidagi akhoina as a title winner kari kari tauki tungda kari kari taurakani kari tauningi haibagi matang da wari sanagadaba mayam wali impact talk to Manipur bu mi engta duna lebiu. Mayam bamukana taram nokchari adom neng biri basi impact talk to Manipur ni ai Pinky Okram ngase khoi ki studio da lengsin duna lai biri basi state level kut Miss Kut 2018 neng nei hoi haukip mahaka mukana unajage neng nei hoi. Before the break we spoke so much about what's happening, what happened, what did you plan and all. So after the break I want to know what is your weakest points and strongest point.
My weakest point is simplicity and shyness, and my strongest point is tolerance and self-determination.
Okay, self-determination. So what is your weakest point? Can you repeat that again?
Simplicity and shyness.
Shyness. Okay, so so do you think simplicity is why do you think simplicity is your weakest point? Because some people may think that simplicity is also a positive point. So why do you think simplicity nowadays simplicity doesn't work or what? Why do you think so?
It works. It does.
Okay, in your point of view, why in your case simplicity is included in weakest point?
Weak in a positive way.
Okay, weak in a positive way.
Yeah.
Okay, so till now by using your negative or positive point, have you come across any kind of cases where you help people and any kind of situation where you had to do you have to come out of the box and work and help people like that? Any cases that you have to come across?
Till today I haven't come across that situation.
Okay, and in future if you have come across, then what will you do?
And what come out of the box and help them.
Okay, that time we will see what you actually do. Okay, so and tell us more about what kind of TV shows you watch. Are you interested in music or anything you're interested in?
I don't watch TV regularly, but sometimes.
Okay, sometimes.
Yeah.
And sometimes when you watch, what do you
DC
you
Network.
watch? Huh? What do you watch?
DC Network.
Okay.
DC channel.
Okay, DC channel.
DC Network.
Okay, and are you interested in music and all?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of music are you interested in? Any kind of music or any particular music? Because people, the audience want to know the winner of state level Kut 2018, what she is interested in, what she is doing, how we should follow her. That kind of people should be there, must be there. So tell us more about you. Let us know what you eat, what you do, and what is your favorite food, what is your favorite color, anything. Share with us.
My favorite color is red.
Okay.
I'm also wearing red today.
And looking beautiful. Yeah, I commented also. And okay, just tell us about the younger generations. They are what they should do to achieve their dream.
First, they should believe in God. They should obey their parents. Our parents doesn't say words that's gonna hurt us. So, and studying, they shouldn't waste time unnecessarily. Indulging in social activities is not bad, okay, but we should know, we should have planning and time management for that, so everything works smoothly.
Okay, time management. Matam se phajana sizinaba ma darkar oina nengnei hoina su phajana haibire. Aduga next tell us about, as I have mentioned, dream job, something like that. So what is your dream job?
To become a flight attendant, international flight attendant.
Okay, international flight attendant. So are you were you interested in that since from childhood, or okay, since from childhood? Why are you interested in that? There must be some reason, because for everything there's a reason, right? So why some people are interested in being a social worker, or some are interested in being psychologists. Then we have different choices. But why are you interested in being international flight attendant?
I believe this job suits my personality the best.
Okay. I hope and I wish you all the best, and you may achieve it. Okay, and tell us about some more about you, like any funny thing that you often do and people doesn't notice it. Anything that you do in everyday life and people doesn't notice it. Do you think anything? Do you do such kind of thing, or you don't do? You are just like a good girl. You wake up in the morning,
Yeah,
and
I'm
then
a good girl.
okay, so you are a good girl. Okay, so do you think that being a good girl always helps, or you need to come out of the box?
There are some situations when we need to come out of the box. Yeah.
Okay, so for any other younger to you, any people, they are planning to participate in the next Miss Good state level Miss Good 2019. So what are the preparations that they must take on from right now?
To become Miss Good, one should have confidence in herself. She should believe in herself, and she should have a personality that reflects who she is. And believe in God also. The adage, beauty with brains holds good.
Okay, beauty with brain. She said beauty with brain. That is very important. Sakhatana chawa yade. Aikoi brain thabak tawdragadi yade. Okay, and Nengne Hoy, are you interested in painting or anything? Any other activities that you are interested?
I'm not interested in painting, but I have a soft corner for dancing.
Okay, so you love dancing. Okay, and tell us about anything that people we would love to know, because the audience today, they will watch our show and they will feel that the guest is not speaking so much, the anchor is speaking so much, and they will complain. So tell me about yourself, like that other people should, do you think that you have any positive habits, good habits that people should follow?
I don't want to talk much because I believe when we talk too much, there are things.
So why am ngang ba thazade nengnei hoina hai se why am ngang ba taragadi soi khiba lan khiba su adum yawi aduna ngang ga dabado khara ngang ga adum to e na haibani sisu yamna kana ba point ni adubu aina di wa ngang na ba yamna ngasigi hek social harakpadagi wa ngang views ai haibani mayamna di comment tawrakani adu shu adum ai loksanjarage. Okay, so matam su loisale, who are your role models?
My role model is my father.
Why?
He is my instructor, my benevolent tutor and guide.
Okay.
It is all because of him that I am a winner today. And above all, I give thanks to the true living God for giving me an excellent role model.
Okay, that's a lovely words. So where is your mother? I mean, she is alive, right?
Yeah, she's alive.
I mean, girls are more attached to mother. They are more, very fond of mother. Only few are fond of fathers. So in your case, why your father became, your instructor, and why your mom? Why do you think that your mom is not in the role?
Mine is a different case, and I don't want to give comments on that.
Okay, so she doesn't want to comment on that. Okay, fine, no problem. So thank you so much, Nengne Hoy. You came out of your all busy schedules, and nice to having you in our studio. And we wish you all the best from our team Impact News. Masini ngasi ki Impact Talk to Manipur ki episode ngasi ekhoina unazariba mioi asi State Level Kut 2018 gi winner oibikribi Nengne Hoy Haukip Mahaka Nungairaba Wari Sumayama Sare Duga Kogi Tungda Horakliba Mathangi Festival da Mathangi Kut 2019 da participate tawning basingna Nengne Hoy na kari tawi haibado contact tawbiba yagani, or if anybody wants to take advice from her, they can contact you, right? So in which there should be some line that from where they can contact you. So is it okay to follow you in Facebook? Are you in Facebook?
Yes.
So what is the title there in Facebook?
Hoi boy nu hauke.
So okay, Hoi Boy Nu Haukip, you can follow her, you can ask questions, is ready to answer everything. So masini ngasigi Talk to Manipur ki program mathangi chayolda nungairaba episode amaga loina nungairaba personality amaga loina na suksoi sidina laksake ngasigi de kaina na baya thangni zari pinabirase.